guys, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Abdurrahim. We're back again with another great and amazing tech content. As some of you guys don't know, today we're checking out some Baseus earbuds. So let's get started. Woo, there we go. So we're having our first one, which is a black color. Drop some more. Woo, there we go. We are having another one which is a white color. So we're having the black color and the white one. This is called the Bowie EZ10. So is it really great, this kind of Bowie EZ10 from Baseus? Today we're going to be checking out throughout these kind of earbuds, how good they are, capability wise, are they really dope, how much good are they? So we're going to just do a quick unboxing throughout experiencing it, and we're going to just do a test, and I think it's going to be really cool, and I'm going to give you guys some conclusion. Would you just grab these kind of bad boys or not? So I think let's get started. So guys, this is our bad boys in here, and we're gonna just be getting started throughout the black one first to unbox it, and we're gonna be going throughout the white version to check it out. So yeah. Nice. What is this? This paperwork? Okay, you're getting a paperwork from Baseus here, as you can see guys. Really cool. And another kind of stuff, you're getting a USB Type-C, which is really vibrant throughout here. So yeah, and another kind of stuff, you're getting some extra buds to interchange through all your earbuds. So yeah, and another kind of stuff, this is your bad boy. Now this has a very different form factor, and I want to show you guys how it looks like. It's really different than other buds, I can say. So that's the thing which captured me at the first place. So as you can see on the shell, it comes with a very good design. I like the minimalistic throughout here, really impressive. And throughout this side, where is it? Through here, it's a USB Type-C for charging your earbuds, and throughout here you're having a place you can keep your strap, and it's really amazing, and it's really looking great. And you can see how you can keep it. It just stays there, magnetic, and it's really strong. You can say like, I'm keeping a strap here and I can hang it around. How can it just be so much sustaining? Well, it's really strong magnet. As long as you're keeping it just like that, it will just sustain. But if you keep it just somewhere here, it won't. So you have just to push it harder so that it can go inside. So it's really vibrant. So let's go with the white version. Another kind of stuff, they differentiate throughout the USB. So it's not a black USB, you're getting a white version USB, which is a USB-C. So this is the white version of the earbud, looking really great. As you can see, on top is the USB Type-C, and I really like the combination of these colors. And the earbuds, they're looking really stealth and minimal. To be honest, I really love the way they kept the form factor. This is something different, and you might be asking yourself, there's an open space throughout the earbud. Will you be able like to lose them? There's always a pros and cons out of it. So but overall, it's a great design. So I think it's the time we test them throughout the ears and see how it is. But before we test them, I want to show you guys the sound core. So we checked out this sound core earbud last time, and it's really cool, and I can say it's powerful enough to just do the thing. And yeah, it's really dope. So it just falls throughout the same lineup as this Bowie, but it's a little bit differently throughout its own self. And yeah, it's really amazing. So let us just check out this Bowie sound testing and experience how much these earbuds they're testing. So yeah, so as you can see guys, how it goes through my ears here, really small and minimal. And yeah, we're gonna just keep them inside my ears just like that. And yeah, it's just staying stealth. You can see even my ears on this side, it's not that much choppy, like it's not that much depth inside of my ears. It's just staying really stable. So let's pair them right now. Whoa, this is so amazing. It's just really dope when it comes to its sound, and I want to share with you guys here, so as you can hear how much the sound it picks. It's really cool. You can hear the sound. Quite not bad, impressive. I like it's not that much too much bass. Not too much bass, but it's it's just a thing there. So these are the Bowie. So guys, right now let's talk about the Baseus Bowie EZ10 specification. Well, it has a material of ABS material. It comes with the Bluetooth version 5.3. It has a communication distance up to 10 meters. It has a music playtime about 5 hours. Volume at 70%. Playtime with the charging case, it has up to 22 to 25 hours. Battery capacity, it's 40 mAh on earphones, and on the charging case it's 300 mAh. So guys, jumping out through a conclusion of the Baseus Bowie EZ10, is it really good? Well, definitely it's really amazing, and it comes throughout a budget pricing. It's quite not expensive, it doesn't break into your bank account, and right now you can get it on a good deal on AliExpress. I'll leave a link down below in the description, but just know that it's an open spacing earbud. Now it's coming with a catch, and that's kind of catch is that whenever you just keep them, just know that sometimes don't rely that much on this strap. Just my perspective, I don't know. I'm gonna do a test. If I'm gonna lose one, I don't know still, but just don't make it like you wanna get loose and you lose them. Just don't do that. Just know that it's just an open space, it's a good design, just seeing a different perspective. But when it comes to the product itself, like the sound and all of that, it's really incredible. So from the scale of 10 to 0, how much score am I giving them, the Bowie EZ10? Well, I'm giving them 9 because it's missing a little bit smaller feature from sound core. This sound core has a good bass when it comes to sound, and talking about bass, well, it's really massive. And if you didn't check out the review of this earbud, I don't know what you're waiting for. You can click this card here up to go and check it out. Back to the topic. So, do you recommend them? Yes, I do recommend them 100% because they're budget and they're really good. And do you say how long will I stay with them? Well, depending on you how much you keep them. Just know that it's an open ear space. It's not like the closed one, which might be staying away from dust and all of that, but this one is just an open one, so you have just to take care of them. But overall, it's a great design, it's a great minimalistic, it's really good improvement from Baseus to see some different perspective of earbuds, and they're really good. Even if when it comes to gaming side, they're really amazing, and they're really on the go. I can say they're in a good daily drive of usage. So that's what's up, guys. Let me know in the comments down below what you're thinking about the earbuds. So it comes with the white color and the black the black color and the white color. So it's really amazing, and you can just check them out on AliExpress. Link are down below on the description. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new here, consider subscribing to your homeboy here. I really appreciate on that, because we come a long way and some of you guys are new faces here, so make sure that you sub to the channel. It would be really amazing, and supporting your content creator here, it would be really dope. And other kind of stuff, like this video, share with your friends, let them know that Baseus got something different in the perspective when it comes to the earbuds, and I'll be seeing your smiley faces on the next tech video. As some of you guys all know, stay sharp and creative, and kudos guys, and peace and Ramadan Kareem to all of you, and yes sir.